How to fix Sony Bluetooth speaker not connecting or pairing problem. First of all, take your phone, go to Bluetooth settings. Okay, if you have previously paired this with your phone, then its name will be showing here. Simply click on this I button and forget this device and enter into the pairing mode on your speaker. Press the Bluetooth button and after that tap on this name. It will be connected. But if it does not connect, then what you can do is simply reset your speaker. How to do that? Press volume down and power button together, hold it for a while. Your speaker will turn off and turn back again, turn on back again, like this. Okay, now take your phone and try connecting your speaker. Basically, if its name does not show, turn off Bluetooth and turn it back again, or enter into the pairing mode on your speaker. Okay, click on the speaker's name, it will be connected or paired. If it still does not connect or pair, you can simply restart your phone and then try connecting. It will be connected. Okay.